we are discussing about last result in this topic, that is binary operation. So define binary operation, then define laws of binary operation. You know the definition of binary operation. I will repeat once again. Let S be a non-empty set. An operation denoted by the notation star is said to be binary operation on the set S if for all elements in general A and B belongs to S implies combine those two. A star B also belongs to yes. It means star means what? It is a rule in which for every pair of elements can be combined to get a unique solution. That solution belongs to the same set. Yes, that is known as binary operation. Okay. So then laws of binary operation. There are four important laws of binary operation. As you know that first one is associative law, associative property, associative axiom. What is that? A star of B star C is equal to A star B of star C. Whereas commutative, A star B is equal to B star A, then star is said to be commutative. Then third one is identity law, identity axiom. Definition of identity. For all A belongs to the set S, there exists an identity denoted by the letter E belongs to S such that A star E is same as B star A is equal to A itself. Again, element per bit. And note that in addition, identity element is always 0, whereas in multiplication, identity element is always 1. Okay. Then finally, fourth law, that is inverse law or inverse axiom. For all A belongs to set S, there exists its inverse, that is A inverse belongs to S, such that A star E inverse is same as A inverse star A is equal to identity E. Okay, again note that in addition, inverse element is negative of the given element, whereas in multiplication, inverse element is reciprocal of the given element. If A element is given, its inverse in addition is 1 by A. So based on the definition of binary operation and laws of binary operation, to solve simple problems, look here. Main problem number 1. Now the question, determine whether each of the definition of star given below gives a binary operation. Now some results are given. Now the question is, you have to identify, you have to verify whether each of the following results are binary operation or not. If it is binary operation, no problem. If it is not binary operation, give justification, give one reason. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬೈನರಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬೈನರಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ವೆಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗುಡ್. If it is not binary operation, give one example, give reason, justification your answer. Okay, now you know the definition of binary operation. Here binary operation ಯಾವ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ ಬರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಅಂಶ ಅದೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is ದ್ವಿಮಾನ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ, binary operation. So here first one, ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, first one, on the set of positive integer z plus denote positive integer, star is defined by a star b is equal to a minus b for all a and b belongs to z plus. ನೋಡಿ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದಾನೆ, ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ a minus b. ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ z plus ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೈನರಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್. ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ z plus ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is not binary operation. A ಮತ್ತು b ಏನು positive integer. Is it binary operation or not? Now take one simple example. Take a value 2. 2 is positive integer and b value 3. So many positive integers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So many numbers. Take a value 2, b value 3. Then a star b is equal to, that is given a minus b. What is a value 2? B value 3. 2 minus 3 minus 1. Is it belongs to z plus? No. does not belong to positive integer. Is it binary? No. Therefore, star is not binary operation on Z plus. BO short for binary operation. ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಗಳೇ ಇರಬೇಕು ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಅನ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್ ಟೇಕ್ a value 3 b value 2 okay 3 minus 2 1 1 belongs to z plus not only 3 2 and 3 are positive integers so many numbers take a value 2 b value 3 2 minus 3 is minus 1 reverse 2 ನಾವು ಕೂಡ satisfy ಆಗಬೇಕು ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ so it is not binary operation similarly second problem ನೀವೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಹೇಗೆ again on z plus positive integer given a star b is equal to ab for all a and b belongs to z plus again identify whether is it binary operation or not obviously it is true because product of two positive integers become again positive integer take a value any one number say a value 3 take b value 4 right 3 and 4 are positive integer then a star b is equal to take any two number any two positive integer a star b after define ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ab what is a value 3 what is b value 4 3 4s are 12 12 is it positive integer yes if you take 4 and 3 again it become 12 product of two positive integers become positive integers therefore star is binary operation on z plus one more question okay what about third one what is that third one on the set of real number defined by a star b is equal to a into b square for all a and b belongs to real number real number all are real numbers except root of negative value okay you can take one counter example is it binary or not take any one number say a value 2 and b value 3 take any two number only 2 and 3 so many numbers you take a value root 2 b value root 5 take any two real numbers for all a and b belongs to real number then observe it then a star b ಯಾವ ತರ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನ a b square a value 2 b value 3 power 2 that is 2 3 square is 9 9 into 2 18 18 is also belongs to real number again product of two real number become real numbers therefore star is binary operation on the set of real number one mark what about fourth one again on the set of positive integer a star b is equal to modulus of a minus b for all a and b belongs to z plus is it binary or not take counter example take a value any one number positive integer number say 2 right take b value 5 5 is also positive integer then a star b is equal to ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ modulus of a minus b a value 2 minus b value 5 modulus of 2 minus 5 minus 3 but modulus of minus 3 is plus 3 belongs to positive integer ನೋಡಿ mod ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ binary ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ mod sign ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is not binary okay therefore star is binary operation on the set of real number okay then fifth one on the set of again positive integer defined by a star b is equal to a for all a and b belongs to z plus now verify whether is it binary operation or not agutte ನೋಡಿ again take counter example take a value 3 b value 2 then a star b ಯಾವ ತರ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನ a star b is equal to a what is a value 3 belongs to positive integer take positive number a star b is equal to a value is 3 b is also belongs to positive integer therefore star is binary operation on the set of positive integer right whereas sixth one on the set of real number r star is defined by a star b is equal to square root of ab for all a and b belongs to real number verify whether star is binary operation yes sixth one On the set of real number defined by a star b is equal to square root of ab for all a and b are real numbers. Verify whether is binary operation or not. ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ರೂಟ್ ab. ಈ ರೂಟ್ ab ಅನ್ನೋದು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೈನರಿ. ರೂಟ್ ab ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬೈನರಿ. ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್. ಟೇಕ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. Take a value 2, b value minus 3, because minus 3 is also real number. Then a star b is equal to square root of ab. A value 2, b value minus 3. That is root 2 into minus 3, root minus 6. Is it root minus 6 real number? No, does not belongs to real number. Therefore, star is not binary operation on the set of real number. Suppose the root is longer, it is binary operation. Next, main problem number 2. For each operation star defined below, determine whether star is binary and star is commutative or associative. Check it. Each result carries 2 marks or 3 marks. Now here first one, on the set of integer defined by a star b is equal to a minus b for all a and b are integer. Is it binary operation or not? Clearly it is binary operation. Clearly star is binary operation on set of all integers. It may be positive integer as well as negative integer. And verify star is associative as well as commutative. Now associative property, definition of associative, take LHS, associative law, a star of b star c. Take left hand side value is equal to a star b is equal to a minus b. What is b star c? Instead of a and b here become b and c. What is b star c? b minus, right? So that is a star. Put b minus c is equal to x, where x is equal to b minus. Okay, since a star b is equal to a minus b, instead of b, a star x is equal to a minus x. That is a minus x value b minus c. Right? Simplify a minus b minus into minus plus. This is left hand side. Then take RHS. In RHS associative property, a star b of star c is equal to a star b is given a minus b stars a minus b quality as 1 stars, where 1 is equal to a minus b. Since a star b is equal to a minus b, instead of a and b, what is y star c? That is y minus c. A equal y, then b equal c, right? So that is y minus c. What is the value of 1? A minus b minus c. Observe those two, are they equal? Not equal. Therefore, from 1 and 2, it follows that LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, star is not associative, but it is binary, but it is not associative. Is it commutative? You know the definition of commutative. A star b is equal to b star a. Also, commutative property. A star b, that is given a minus b. And b star a. What is b star a? B minus a. Verify. Are they a minus b is equal to b minus a? Is it a minus b is equal to b minus a? For example, is it 1 minus 3 is same as 2 minus 1? No, not equal. Since a minus b is not equal to b minus a, therefore a minus b is nothing but a star b. Is not equal to b minus a is nothing but b star a. A star b is not equal to b star a. We conclude that star is not commutative. It is not associative as well as not commutative. Here, whereas second problem, same thing. On the set of rational number q, star is defined by a star b is equal to ab plus 1 for all a comma b belongs to rational number. Is it binary operation? Yes, clearly star is binary operation on the set of rational number. Take any two rational number, put those two rational number here and simplify, again it will become a rational number, therefore it is binary. And is it associative? Take LHS. A star of B star C is equal to A star. A star B is equal to given AB plus 1. Instead of A and B, what is B star C? BC plus 1. Right? That is equal to A star. Put BC plus 1 is equal to X, where X is equal to BC plus 1. Right? Again, A star B is equal to AB plus 1. Instead of B, instead of A and B, here A and X. Instead of B, here comes X. A star B and AB plus 1. What about A star X is? AX plus 1. Right? Put X value. What is X value? BC plus 1 plus 1. That is, remove that bracket, ABC plus A plus 1. This is LHS. Then take RHS. What is RHS? A star B of star C. Since A star B is equal to AB plus 1, that is given. Star C. Put AB plus 1 is equal to 1 star C, where 1 is equal to AB plus 1. Since A star B is equal to AB plus 1, that is given, instead of A and B, here come Y and C. What is Y star C? YC plus 1. Right? The value of Y is AB plus 1 into C plus 1. Simplify ABC plus C plus 1. Equation. We observe it. Your equation on ABC plus A plus 1. Here ABC plus C plus 1. So we conclude that from 1 and 2, it follows that LHS is not equal to RHS, therefore star is not associative. Is it commutative? Also, commutative property, A star B is equal to B star. What is A star B? AB plus 1. And what is B star A? BA plus 1. Right? As you know that 2 into 3 is same as 3 into 2. 5 into 4 is same as 4 into 5. 7 into 8 is same as 8 into 7. In general, A into B is same as B into A. Multiplication is commutative. Therefore, AB is nothing but A star B. BA is nothing but B star A. Therefore, star is commutative. Now, here in this example, it is binary operation and it is commutative, but it is not associative. Okay. Next, third problem. On the set of rational number Q, defined by A star B is equal to AB upon 2, for all A and B belongs to rational number. Again, clearly, star is binary operation on the set of rational number, of which it is true. Now verify whether it is associative as well as commutative. Take LHS. A star of B star C is equal to A star B is equal to AB by 2, that is given. Instead of A and B, here come B and C. What is B star C? BC by 2. Right? That is equal to A star. Put BC by 2 is equal to X, where X is equal to BC by 2. Since A star B is equal to AB by 2, instead of B, here comes X. What is A star X? That is AX by 2. Right? So that is equal to A by 2. The value of X is BC by 2. That is ABC divided by 2 to the 4. Right? And take RHS. A star B star C. A star B value given AB by 2 star C. Put AB by 2 is equal to 1 star C, where 1 is equal to AB by 2. Since A star B is equal to AB by 2, instead of A and B, what is Y star C? YC by 2. that is y, the value of y is AB by 2 into C by 2. That is ABC divided by 4. Equation. Observe it. Both are equal. Therefore, from 1 and 2, it follows that LHS is equal to RHS. Right? Hence, star is what? Associative. Star is associative. Is it commutative? Check it. Definition of commutative. A star B is equal to B star A. Since A star B is equal to, that is given, AB by 2. What about B star A? B star A is equal to BA by 2. Right? Again you know that 5 into 4 is same as 4 into 5. 2 into 3 is same as 3 into 2. In general, A into B is same as B into A. A into B is nothing but A star B. B into A is nothing but B star A. Therefore, star is commutative. It is associative, it is commutative, and it is binary operation. Okay. Then fourth one. On the set of positive integer defined by A star B is equal to 2 to the power of AB for all A and B belongs to positive integer. Positive integer. Now clearly, is it binary? Yes. Star is binary operation on that plus. Take A2 positive integer, 2 to the power of product of two positive integer again become positive integer, right? And is it associative? Check it. Take LHS. A star of B star C is equal to A star. A star B is equal to given 2 power AB. What is B star C? 2 power B C. That is equal to A star. Put 2 power BC is equal to X, where X is equal to 2 power BC. Since A star B is equal to 2 power AB, what is A star X? 2 power AX, right? That is equal to 2 power A. X value is 2 power BC. X value is 2 power BC. Then take RHS. A star B of star C is equal to A star B value 2 power AB star C. Put 2 power AB is equal to 1 star C, where y is equal to 2 power AB. Now again A star B is equal to 2 power AB. What is y star C? 2 power y C. That is 2 power, the value of y is 2 power AB into C. Right? Observe it. Are they equal? Here 2 power A into 2 power BC. Here 2 power AB into C. Is it equal or not? Check it. Take one counter example. Take 3 numbers, 3 positive numbers. Take A value 1, B value 2, C value positivities. Now, in equation 1, 2 power A value 1 into 2 power B into C. 2 into 3 is 6. That is 2 power 6 value how much? 2 power 5 32, 2 power 6 is 2 power 64. 2 power 64 is some number. Then take equation 2. 2 power A into B. A value 1, B value 2. That is 2. Into C value 2 power 2 square 4 into 3. 2 power 12. Here 12 index, here index is 64. Are they equal? Not equal. Therefore, from 1 and 2. Therefore, from 1 and 2. It follows that LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, star is not associative. It is not associative. Also verify is it commutative or not. Also, A star B is equal to given 2 power B. And B star A is 2 power B. Clearly bases are same. If bases are same, powers must be equal. Since AB is same as BA, therefore AB is nothing but A star B, BA is nothing but B star A. Hence, star is what? Commutative. Star is commutative, but it is not associative. Clear, students? Next one, fifth one. On the set of positive integers defined by a star b is equal to a power b for all a and b belongs to z plus. A star b is equal to a power b. Is star is binary operation. Take a value 0, b value 0. ಎರಡು 0 0 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾವು binary operation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? A value 0, b value 0. 0 power 0 not defined. I think here take a value 0, b value 0, then a star b is equal to 0 power 0, which is not defined. Right? Therefore, star is not binary operation on Z plus. So if you make a value 0, b value 0, if you consider 0 as integer, positive integer, then a star is equal to 0 power 0, that is not defined. So star is not binary operation. Except 0. 0 to between here it is binary operation. Star is binary operation on Z plus except 0. Except 0. Okay. Then verify whether it is associative or not. LHS. A star of B star C is equal to A star. A star B is equal to A power B. B star C is equal to B power C. That is A star. Put B power C is equal to X, where X is equal to B power C. Since A star B is equal to A power B, what is A star X? A power X. That is A power X value B power C. Call it as equation. Then take RHS. A star B of stars is equal to A star B value A power B stars. Put A power B is equal to 1 stars, where Y is equal to A power. Right? Since A star B is equal to A power B, what is Y star C? Y power C. But the value of Y is A power B whole power C. Are they equal? Here A power B power C. Here A power B whole power C. Are they equal? I think not equal. Right? Therefore, from 1 and 2, it follows that LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, star is not associated. Is it commutative? Check. Answer. A star B is equal to given A power B. And B star A is equal to B power B. Is it A power B is equal to B power A? Take one more example. Take A is equal to 2, B is equal to 2. Then A star B is equal to A power B, 2 power, how much? 8. And B star A, B power A, 3 power 9. Are they 8 is equal to 9? No. Therefore, since A power B is not equal to B power A, therefore A star B is not equal to B star A. Hence, star is not what? Commutative. It is not commutative and it is not associative. Okay. Similarly, next problem, problem number 6. On the set of real number, on the set of rational number Q, sorry, on the set of real number except 1, don't take 1, except 1, defined by A star B is equal to A divided by B plus 1 for all A comma B belongs to set of real number except 1. Verify whether it is associative as well as commutative. Clearly, star is binary operation on the set of real number except one. Okay. Now, is it associative? Check it. LHS. A star of B star C is equal to A star. A star B is equal to A divided by B plus 1. What is B star C is equal to? A B divided by C plus 1. A is the B rate, B is the C rate, B divided by C plus 1. That is A star. Put B by C plus 1 is equal to X, where X is equal to B divided by C plus 1. Again, A star B is equal to A divided by B plus 1. What is A star X? A divided by X plus 1. Right? That is A divided by, the value of X is B by C plus 1 plus 1. That is A divided by, in the denominator take LCM. LCM is C plus 1. B plus C plus 1. That term goes to numerator. C plus 1 divided by B plus C plus 1. This is LHS. Then take RHS. A star B of stars is equal to A star B value A divided by B plus 1. Stars, put A divided by B plus 1 is 1 stars, where Y is equal to A divided by B plus 1. Since A star B is equal to A by B plus 1, therefore Y star C is equal to Y divided by C plus 1. But the value of Y, A by B plus 1, all divided by C plus 1. Right? That is A divided by B plus 1 into C plus 1. Call it as equation. Verify, are they equal? Here C plus 1 by B plus C plus 1. Here A by B plus 1 into C plus 1. That equal out Y by C plus 1. Y value A by B plus 1 divided by C plus 1. Is it equal to C plus 1? Not equal. Therefore, from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, take one counter example. One example 2 equal to another. Is it equal or not? Check it. I think that is not equal. Right? From 1 and 2, it follows that LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, star is not associative. Right? It is not associative. Is it commutative? Check it. A star B, given A star B value A by B plus 1. What of B star A? B by A plus 1. Are they equal? A by B plus 1 is same as B by A plus 1. Since A by B plus 1 is not equal to B by A plus 1, therefore A star B is not equal to B star A. Therefore, star is not commutative. It is not commutative. It is not associative. Clear? Now one more problem. Even problem only, seventh one. On the set of rational number defined by A star B is equal to square root of A square plus B square for all A and B belongs to rational number. Right? For all A and B belongs to rational number. Check ಮಾಡಿ. On the set of not rational number here, real number. Okay, for all A and B belongs to real number, then verify that whether it is associative, commutative and binary. Clearly, is it binary or not? Yes. Clearly, star is binary operation on the set of real number. Take any two real number. If you take -1 square, that is square of two number become positive. Then is it associative? Check it. LHS. A star of B star C is equal to A star. A star B value root A square plus B square. What is B star C? Root of B square plus C square. Okay. That is A star root B square plus C square, call it as X, where X is equal to root of B square plus C square. Then simplify. Now A star B is equal to root of A square plus B square. Instead of A and B, here A star X is equal to, what is A star X? A star X is equal to root of A square plus X square. Correct? That is root of A square plus X value root B square plus C square. It's a square. Root cancel, B square plus C. This is LHS. Then take RHS. A star B of stars. A star B value root of A square plus B square. Stars. Put the root A square plus B square into Y. Stars. Where Y is equal to root of A square plus B square. Since A star B is equal to root A square plus B square, instead of A and B, Y star C is equal to root of Y square plus C square. Substituting the value. But the value of Y is root A square plus B square. It's a square. Root cancel. A square plus B square plus C square. So clearly from 1 and 2, it follows that from equation 1 and 2. It can follow that, we conclude that LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, star is what? Associative. Star is associative. Is it commutative? Check it. Also, A star B is equal to given A square root A square plus B square. What about B star A? Root of B square plus A square. So you know that A square plus B square is same as B square plus A square. Take two numbers. Take A value 1, B value 2. 1 square plus 2 square is same as 2 square plus 1 square. Therefore, A square plus B square is nothing but A star B. B square plus A square is nothing but B star A. Therefore, star is commutative. Star is commutative. So it is associative, commutative, and binary operation. Okay. So problem number up to 7 over. Problem number 8, 9, 10. Try yourself these 3 problems, homework problems. Try yourself, students. Okay. So next class we will discuss some more problems based on binary operation. Okay. Thank you.